Okay, we are up here on the 21st floor of the JW Marriott in downtown Indianapolis. Look at this incredible view of the city. It's really nice. And tonight we are actually staying here, so we're gonna get a room tour. There's a good look at the hallway. We are in room 2103, so we're gonna get a look around here. As you enter, you are greeted with a nice coffee making station. It's got a smaller coffee maker and coffee cups and such in there. Water bottles, cups, and looks like bags of something. Actually, that's an ice container, yeah. And then down here, you got a small mini fridge. And then in here is the bathroom. Let's get the light on. Fairly nice bathroom overall. Here's your sink. It's a Kohler sink. You got your soap and shampoo over here, along with more cups and another mirror. Hey. And then over here is the shower. Fairly nice looking. About something you'd expect from a fancy hotel like this. Here's the commode. It's a Kohler. Yeah. And then there's another trash can down there and towels. And then we have the room itself. So this is a 2-queen bedroom, and it's very nice overall. It's a lot different than what I thought it would be. So you got like a little workspace here with a chair, and there's your phone and a high-speed internet cable, and there's your lamp. Got a LG flat screen TV. Here is the connector door to room 2105. And then you got some trash cans, and then there's our stuff. And then over here, got like a closet. Fairly nice overall. So let's get a look around the rest of the place now. So you got a nightstand here. Got a Kubi Blue alarm clock and radio. Drawer. And then here's one of the queen beds. Looks very fancy overall. There's another mirror. Hey. This place is pretty nice overall. A lot different than I thought it would be. See, there's another chair over here. And then yet another lamp. Yeah, there's another lamp. And then the view. Look at this view of Indy. Quite amazing. You can see Lucas Oil Stadium over there. There's the Marriott. And then there's the rest of downtown Indy. Very nice overall. Pretty high up. And then you got some extra power outlets over here. And then a bunch of other drawers for like clothes and such. And here's a safe. And just a bunch of other random drawers with absolutely nothing in them. And cool thing is they replaced the lights with this, apparently. Or maybe that's just for like the low-rise floor or something, but you got some USB outlets right there. There's the other queen bed. And there's the curtains and shutters and such. There's the, and for you fire alarm and smoke detector fans, there's the fire alarm and smoke detector. You got your Johnson Controls thermostat right here. 68 degrees in here right now. But yeah, overall, this place is pretty nice. It's a lot different than the last time I stayed here. Last time I stayed here was roughly 7 years ago. I haven't stayed here since like 2013. But yeah, it's a whole lot different than the last time I stayed here. But yeah, overall, this room looks pretty nice overall. And the view, yeah, you can't leave without looking at the view. That's pretty epic. But yeah, I really like the place overall. So, I hope you all enjoyed that little brief room tour. And I'm overall really impressed with the room. So yeah, I think that'll do it for this video. So thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I highly recommend you guys stay here. This place is pretty epic. But without further ado, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.